Hey guys, so I'm at Circular Quay right now. You can't see, there's like fairies in the background. And yeah, I'm going to the Opera House. It's kind of windy and cold. The sky's kind of overcast. And wait, I'll show you guys the Opera House. Jokes, it's too far away. We'll get to it soon. Actually, you can probably see the harbour bridge there. Yeah, you can see the harbour bridge back there in the background. Really, and there's a huge cruise ship over there as well. So yeah, going to the Opera House. It's only 8:15 in the morning and you can see the rows behind me. There are so many rows for people to stand in line, and it doesn't open till 9, but there's not that many people here. But yeah, I don't know if my family wants to come early. Looking for my cousins right now, they're right there. Wait. Say hello!
Hi!
Hello.
Is that video?
Yes, this is a video. This is Min, and this is my cousin Chong, and they're twins.
Thanks.
Hello!
Hi.
Yeah, happy birthday to you guys for yesterday.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go to the harbour bridge now. We just walked past around 200 people to get to the front of the line to catch up with our family. And there's like a block thing right in front of us over there. And see some pelicans behind us. And then they're just chilling with the crowd. Look at that kid. They're just screaming at the kid. It's really random. Hi, Pelican. Wonderful. Gorgeous Pelican. Thanks for that. Too tall to fit in the frame. Look at us in our wonderful opera costumes. Yeah, just casually like dressing up in the opera house. Who knew? Right now, look at this hat. Oh, I can't even wear this hat properly. Okay. Look at this dress. Oh, look at how fabulous this dress is. Oh my god. Yeah. Look at that ass. Yeah. Hello. Hello. We're still kind of eating lunch. Brunch, yeah. And the seagulls here are vicious. One just swooped up to our table. There's... Can you see that? I can't even see.
And then see the seagull there.
Can you see it? Yeah, there's a seagull right there. And one just swooped up onto our table, like right there, and took like a chip from our table. And that was so scary. Like we all screamed, we were like, what the hell is going on? But yeah, seagulls here, oh my god.
And opera house.
And the opera house is right there. So we're like sitting outside the opera house, eating food, being attacked by seagulls. Walking back from the opera house, and we're going to go to Customs House Library now. And there's a lot of people on the streets today. And there's people going on a whale site, jet boating. I don't know what they're doing. I think it's a jet boat thing. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists in Circular Quay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with tourists, but there's so many people. And it's just weird, because we're in Sydney, and usually Sydney's like super quiet. But I guess we're in the middle of the city, so... It's like indigenous pop. Yeah. It's like fusion. At Customs House Library in Circular Quay. You can see behind me. It's a pretty big library. It's not just a library, there's a lobby and a cafe as well. And yeah, let's check it out. Behind me we have the stairs to the Custom House Library.